Today we'll be looking at a provision called drawing rework. So this is used when an employee or a department official sends your application back to you asking for certain specific changes in the CAD drawing itself. So we already have a provision called send back to citizen. That action takes care of any missing document, or if you need to make any changes or update any document that you have submitted, the send back to citizen action will take care of that. But if there is any changes to be done in the CAD drawing itself, you need to do the scrutiny again and submit that fresh drawing to the authority back. And you can make only changes that has been suggested by the department itself. So whenever you receive any application from the department asking for drawing rework, you will also receive comments here, and the department official will write down what are the changes that you need to do in your drawing. So in this example that I'm showing, the department official has written two changes that we need to incorporate in our drawing. One is plot number is incorrect, and we can make that specific change in the plan info. Second is uh, there is some issue with the built up area polygon that we have drawn in floor 0. So the department will only process the application further once we make correction in these 2 points in our drawing. So to do that, what we have to do is we have to go to our application detail page, and if you scroll down under scrutiny summary, you'll see a button called BP Rework Resubmit Scrutiny. So this button takes care of the drawing correction part. So just click on this button here, and it will ask you for the same details that are already filled in, the city, applicant name, and the service type. Here it is, new construction. So some important points that you need to remember is you cannot make any change in the construction type. So if you have applied for new construction, even in the drawing correction part, the service type will remain the same. Also, you cannot change the color code of your drawing. If you have submitted an application for a residential apartment, once you get the drawing correction from the department, you cannot change it to any other sub-occupancy like commercial or any other semi-public or any other kind. You need to stick to the same sub-occupancy and the service type that you have already used in your previous drawing. Otherwise, the system will show an error message. So here you can submit the freshly created drawing. You can make the necessary changes as per the comments that has been provided by the department. Once you make those changes, you can submit the fresh drawing that you have created. So you'll again press the scrutiny button here. The system will again check for the entire scrutiny, and once it is completed, you can download the scrutiny report from here, and then you can submit the freshly scrutinized drawing back to the department. To do that, you can either click on submit button here. If you want to go to the home page, you can directly go from here. If you want to go to the application button, if you want to see the application details, you can go from here. And if you want to re-scrutinize again, in case this drawing has been rejected from the scrutiny engine and you need to make corrections, you can re-scrutiny your drawing again from this fourth option. One more point that I would like to highlight is whatever changes you are making in your drawing, if the built up area is the same, then you won't be charged any additional scrutiny fee. It will be the same if it was the same built up area as you had provided in your earlier drawing. If there is any kind of change in your built up area, the system will automatically calculate the difference between the last built up area that you submitted and the fresh drawing that you are submitting now. And during your second, the final payment part, it will ask for the remaining, the balance amount. So just keep in mind, if you make any changes in built up area and if it increases the build up area, then you have to pay the remaining scrutiny amount during your final fee payment. So for this purpose, I'll just submit the application back to the authority now. And as you can see, the application has been forwarded successfully. Now the application is with the department. They'll process it further and approve the application.